Oh. Hello, good evening, and welcome back to market session this evening. So sorry we are starting far from schedule. Had I had few challenge with internet. I'm even surprised that we've been able to connect. I've been trying since a few minutes before 8 o'clock, but thank God finally we are connected. So sorry for that. Welcome back to market session this evening. Thank you for joining. How was last week? I hope you had a very profitable week last week. So let's get right into it. So as usual, let's start with the lineups for the week. News lineup for the week. Okay, so we even have something high impact today. President Trump speaks on the 3 a.m. Sunday, but then that's not going to affect whatever is going to happen would happen, and that's more reason you will need to be patient this week because whatever is going to happen in the market will not reveal itself until the market open later tonight. So I perceive that we might see gaps in the market by tomorrow because of what happened over the weekend, the bombing of the Iraq, Iran, and all of that. All of the issues happening. So on Monday we have Euro high impact news 8:15. 8:15. So one thing I would also say is this: if you can pivot into pairs or instruments that are not moved by news, it really do you good this season because of the instability in global economy and then the war and all of that. Because your setups can come out right, and then something will just happen, and everything in the market will just turn upside down. So that's just a friendly advice. Tuesday, January 24, I mean, Tuesday, June 24, we have card news for 1:30. We have USD news for 3 p.m., just the same way we have it on Monday. Wednesday, odd news. Um, on Thursday, GBP and USD news. On Friday, we have uh, card news, USD news as well. That's the news lineup for the week. So beyond what we have registered here as news, you know, actions around the world, actions and inactions around the world, rumors around the actions and inaction also move the market. And that's why I said that if you can pivot into instruments that are not moved by news or tied to all of that, for now it will really do you a lot of help at this season of uh different, volatile economic, global economy, so to say, and then with in reference to the current war and threat and all of that currently happening. Okay, so let's start with Euro USD. This is Euro USD. Please confirm you can hear me and you can see me clearly. It is important we confirm that. So starting with daily candle, it's it has proven bullish over the days. Over the weeks. We can only hope it can get to continue that. So let's look at the recent price action. This is the last pushed upward. Then we created a low, rest of this high, went back, created a double bottom. So, on H4, we might want to say that there's a break of this low, and the market has retraced back into the gap to fall. So, even though the prominent trend has been bullish, but this price action is suggesting otherwise. But then we are not going to take any action yet. wait for the market to open and let's see what price will do. If it's going to confirm the sell or it's going to create a new high, and reinforce the bullish position that we've maintained from the beginning of the year. So let's go to Euro JPY. Okay, so Euro JPY finally broke out of this and then broke out of this and retested. So it's obviously bullish. So the best thing to look out for is to look out for a retracement and ride the trend. It is that simple. So look out for a retracement, probably a retest of this level, or let's pull up our fib here. Let me even start from here. Look at this. This retracement happened exactly on 50%. Can you see that? You know, that reversal candle and bullish engulfing confirming the new trend. I mean, confirming that the market is about to buy. So let's also see where we can expect price for the trend to continue. So if, of course, price is still most likely push up before it retraces, but then this is what is available in the market, and then that's what we are going to follow for now. If market, once market open. So for now, market here to here, and then for us to get into a safe place to buy again, we need to see market to trace back below this area, around this area, and then give us a confirmation, a price action confirmation that it's about to go higher. It is that simple. So the next thing to do, let's get to the DXY. So if you have been following from the very beginning of the year, I kept saying we needed, and then I kept saying that a cheaper dollar is the goal, and then it happened all the way, and then here we are. So if we get to the daily candle, so market has broken this, retested this, and then the next thing is create a lower. This is telling us we are still maintaining sentiment of a cheaper dollar, of a bearish dollar. So which also automatically, not automatically actually, which can indicate and suggest a bullish sentiment for every pair trading against the dollar. So let's start with the gold XAU USD. You can see gold has been bullish, for a long time. Okay, so you can see um, gold has been bullish, but then we had a quick retracement with a market close with a bullish candle, which is good. It can signify that buyers are back into the market. But let's pull Fibonacci and see at what percentage did that happen. So you can see it happened in one of the most probable, most possible place for reversal. This area, most reversal that happen here gives more confidence, more assurance of success when you trade with them. So, but then we cannot just confirm that it's time to go until the market opens and we see the price action to either wait or move in immediately. But fundamentally speaking, now, fundamentally speaking, apart from the fact that dollar is bearish, which means that gold will be bullish, fundamentally speaking, because of the war and different other things, people are looking for safe haven, which gold is. So we are likely to see. I want to believe that in this during this war and all of that, we are likely to see gold give a new all-time high. You know, it fell from its all-time high. It fell from the all-time high when April. It gave a new all-time high in April at 3,503. So with what's currently happening, I believe gold might create a new all-time high. Well, that's good. Let's get into BTC. I hope you can still hear me and see my screen. Network is really funny here. Okay, so BTC, that's Bitcoin, BTC USD, BTC.